Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find promo code deals for Allianz travel insurance. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to open up my web browser. I'm going to head on over to Google, and then inside Google search box, I'm going to type in Allianz travel insurance, and then hit search, and you'll be brought to a whole list of results inside Google. So what you want to do is skip past all the sponsored results, and then click on the one from allianz-travel.com.hk, 40% off travel insurance promotion. Go ahead and click into here, and then scroll down, and you'll see a promo code here, which is 40% off. So copy this code like so, copy this code, and now paste this at the checkout section when you get an Allianz travel insurance to redeem 40% off your order. If we go back to Google, you can also try out some different ones if that one no longer works. So you can check out Coupon Nation, dealspot.com. So any one of these sites will work. Just make sure the promo code deal is still in date.